Hey guys, Al here from Spirit Guides, and today we're going to show you how to make simple syrup. An ingredient so easy, they called it simple syrup. And why not? It's 2 ingredients, 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. You'll also need something to measure that with, and a saucepan over a range, and a spoon to stir it. So we're going to heat this until the sugar is completely dissolved. So we've got our 1 cup of sugar here. We're using a bone char free natural sugar, so it's a little bit tan in color, which makes a little bit darker syrup. You can also just use regular white sugar and it's totally fine, so don't be alarmed by the color. 1 cup of H2O, and add that to the saucepan. And we're just going to turn this on over a medium heat and then give it a little stir. You want to kind of tend to this as much as you can. Stir constantly until the sugar is dissolved. We don't need to bring this to a boil, and we're not making caramel, so make sure you don't burn the sugar at the bottom of the pan. And this should just take 2, maybe 3 minutes. Time lapse. You can tell that the syrup is pretty much complete when you scrape the bottom with the spoon and you don't see any crystals on the spoon. We've still got a couple, but it's pretty much done. So there we go, simple syrup. Take it off the heat, and then we're going to transfer it to our liquid measure. Just be careful when you're pouring. And be sure to let that cool before bottling. So that's a very easy cocktail ingredient that you can make at home in just 2 minutes. For more great cocktail content, definitely tune in every Thursday night to www.twitch.tv/spiritguides. You can purchase a weekly cocktail kit and other cool ingredients at spiritguidescocktails.square.site. And as always, follow us on Instagram at spiritguidescocktails. See you next time.